to lock Facebook profile step by step. Sure, here's a step-by-step guide on how to lock your Facebook profile. Number 1. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your account. Number 2. Go to your Facebook profile by tapping on your profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. Number 3. Tap on the three dots located on the top right corner of your profile. Number 4. From the drop-down menu, select Lock Profile. Number 5. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you want to lock your profile. Tap on the Lock Your Profile button to proceed. Number 6. Your profile is now locked and a blue badge with a lock icon will appear on your profile picture to indicate that your profile is locked. Number 7. You can choose to unlock your profile at any time by following the same step and selecting Unlock Profile instead of Lock Profile. Number 8. When your profile is locked, you may need to approve friend request before people can see your full profile. To do this, go to your profile and tap on the friend request button located at the top of your profile. From here, you can accept or decline friend request. If you want to share your locked profile with someone who is not your friend, you can do so by sending them a link to your profile. To get the link to your locked profile, go to your profile, tap on the three dots located on the top right corner of the profile and select Copy Link to Profile. You can then share this link with the person you want to give access to your profile. And that's it. Your Facebook profile is now successfully locked, and only your friend will be able to see your posts, photos, and videos. People who are not your friend will only be able to see a limited amount of information on your profile, such as your profile picture and cover photos. Thank you.